Why I am buying Microsoft at $250? Let's start with the weekly chart. Look at this area first, $250. If I zoom out, previously also this was an important area. 50 moving average in green is here. Also we saw a lot of capitulation happening over here. 263 is the current price for the green 50 moving average. So this range $250 to $260 is looking interesting for Microsoft. If I zoom out, look at this green line. Whenever price reached near this, we always saw a pump again over here also. Actually, we didn't cross the green line since 2015 was the time when price broke the green moving average, and it is happening again. So yeah, this can be a good time to accumulate some Microsoft stock. If I try to draw a trend line like this and try to build a channel out of it, we can see that there is a possibility of price breaking 250 and then going towards the purple 100 moving average at around $220. If that happens, then of course $220 will be an amazing buying range. Why? If I look into history, maybe in 2013 or 14, somewhere around here, we saw the break of the purple line. After that, for 10 years almost, we never saw a break of this line. So this can be an interesting area. Also, if I put a range over here like this, you can see this capitulation that happened over here. So interesting price, $220. Now moving on to the daily chart, the first thing I can see is of course price in a strong downtrend, but we are approaching $250 and the RSI is almost 30. We can see in the past this RSI level is what the stock price likes and tries to bounce from here. Look at this bounce, and then over here also you can see all of this bounce happening. So yeah, price is reaching similar levels. This area also you can see we saw a big bounce from the green line. So yeah, RSI is about to reach or is already in this region. That is why I am expecting that maybe we will see a reversal from here, at least till the red line, which is 270 currently, which represents 200 moving average. Also, if I zoom out, look at this whole thing. This whole pattern is actually a bull flag pattern. If we get a good uptrend and bounce from here, we might go back and see all-time high at around $350. But in the short term, of course, 250 can see a bounce back towards red line 200 moving average at around 270. Moving over to the 4-hour chart, at current price of 256, look at the RSI, it touched 20, which has not happened for quite some time for the Microsoft stocks. So yeah, in terms of RSI also we can see that we are in an interesting range and we can see a bounce from here. Once again, the bounce on the 4-hour is telling us that somewhere around the 270 mark where we have these moving averages can happen as first target. Let me know in the comments if you agree with the $250 support range. Also, if you're actively trading into the markets, you can see how volatile the markets are. Please use proper risk management, take profit, stop loss. Good luck trading. Thank you.